All right, guys. Japan Turn 2, Operation 25. I have 49 to spend, so I'm going to buy two transports, one infantry, two artilleries, and a minor industrial complex, and a destroyer. And that equals 45 plus 4 for tech. It's 49. All right. Take them and move them over here. We'll just put them up here for right now. All right. All right. So, um, got a few attacks. So, over here at Shinsei, I'm going to take one infantry in the Szechuan, and I'm going to take three infantry and an artillery into Kansu. All right. Okay. In Hopian, I'm going to take an infantry, two infantry, and an artillery down. All right. Into Yunnan from Anhui, I'm going to take two artillery and four infantry. All right. And I'm going to bring down two tacks, 1, 2, 3, and they will have one left each and two fighters. All right. Actually, I ain't going to take a chance. I'll just bring three fighters and two tacks into that battle. All right. Okay. Over here, I'm going to take my transport and load it up with an infantry and an artillery. All right. And it's going to go 1, 2, 3. I'm just going to put them here in French Indochina because I'm going to move them. And they are going to attack North Indochina. All right. I'll have a battleship, two battleship bombardments. So I'll put them over here so we got them out of the way. Okay. All right. And I'm going to bring in one bomber. And it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it's going to land in 6. It'll land in Fukien when it's done. Okay, and I'll pick up two infantry and bring them down with that. Okay. All right. All right, and this strat is going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and it'll drop a paradrop 2 from China into Yunnan also. All right. And he'll have 1, 2, 3. So he'll have 3 left. 1, let's see, it'd be 1, 2, 3, and he'll go back to China. So I'll just go ahead and move him to China. We'll decide where he's going to go. Haven't decided where he'll go yet. Okay. So those are my. Oh, okay. Now I'm going to take my destroyer and go 1, 2, 3 to the Carolinas. I am going to bring in one fighter, 1, 2, 3, 4, and one tack and one fighter, and they'll come back and land on the carrier. And I'll just bring it over. This carrier is coming over also, and it's also going to have another tack, another fighter to hit that. All right, so those guys will land on those two carriers. All right, and the rest, I'll move the rest, just that I put them over there so you can see where they'll land. Yep, that's it for my attacks. All right, nothing else up here. Over there. That's it. All right. So we'll start out with Kansu is Japan's. Shiswan is a walk-on. Japan. Hopian is a walk-on for Japan. Okay. Yunnan. All right. So Yunnan, I am going to have. I'm going to have 2 fighters and 2 tacks. I'm going to take 2 tacks to tack your artillery. So maybe 2 tacks. Then I'll have 2 fighters. All right, and then I'll have 2 artillery paired with 2 infantry. And I'll have 4 ones. And you're going to have 1, 2, 3, possibly 4 guys. All right, I'm going to have 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. All right. So let's take 2 tacks on your artillery first. See if I get that guy. Yep, got it twice. All right, so your artillery is automatically deleted. So delete this guy. Well, we'll just put him off to the side. All right, so it leaves you with 3 infantry. All right, and here's my rule: need 3 hits. And I got 3 hits. All right, your response. You got 1. All right, so here's your Chinese guys. All right. And I lose 1 infantry. Okay. That will be Japan's. And the fighters and planes are going to land at the air base. All right. Oh, I forgot on here, all the rest of the planes here are also going to attack Indochina. So, with those guys landing there. All right, so that'll actually be the next battle. All right, so let me clear the dice out. I'll just put them over here for now so we know what we got. All right, so you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 infantry and a tank. Tank and 4 infantry. And I'm going to target select that tank. Okay. I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 tacks. So 1, 2, 3 of them are going to target select that tank. And 1 is going to be paired, okay, with my 4 fighters. And they're going to go, just so you know, they go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and they're going to land back in Fukien at the air base. So, okay, so I got 4 fighters also. 2, 3, 4 fighters. All right, and I got an infantry and an artillery paired and 2 unpaired. All right, so that's going to be the attacks. And there's your guys. See what happens. All right, so I'm going to do 3 target selects on that tank. So here we go. 3 target selects. All 3 missed the tank. It figures. Wow. Okay, well, here's the rest of them. One, 2, 3, 4 hits. All right, and you. Of course, the tank hits. All right, I had 1, 2, 3, 4, so there went your 4 infantry, and I lose 1 infantry. All right, so lose 1 infantry. 1, 2, 3, 4. You lose 4 guys, and you got tank left. All right, and I got it, and your tank, and the tank takes 1 more with it. So tanks goodbye. There's another infantry. I have an infantry and artillery left. You know, he'll die eventually. Okay. All right, next battle. Sea battle. All right, you got 1 AA shot for your cruiser. Right. These freaking figures. All right. There's a fighter. Never fails. All right, so I got 1 tack, 1 fighter, 2 fighters, and a 3 for my cruiser or destroyer that attacks at 3. All right, you got destroyer. Destroyer and a cruiser. Oh God, I can't believe that. All right, there's your 2. Probably lose another 4 or whatever. All right, here we go. All right, I got it. And you, and we rolled with my guys that are up there, and ooh, look at that, no hits. Well, all right, you lose these 3, or his 3. Planes will land on the ships, and delete that, delete that, and don't need that dice either. All right, so non-combat moves. All right, those planes from here landed back here. These 4 guys are going to let's see, this bomber dropped off here, so that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So he's going to land there. 2 of these infantry are going to move over. All right, these 2 infantry are going to move to Shanxi from Shanxi. Okay. All right. That's that. That's that. All right. Fighters are coming over here to Fujian. And the 2 tacks are coming over here to Fujian. All right, Union is now mine. 5 infantry, 2 artillery. Yeah, didn't help me any there. All right, this one came down from Japan at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and he'll land in Fujian. No, figured air base has to mess with it. Okay. All right. So now I'm going to take my 4 transports, and then we're going to go 1, 2 up to P22. All right. And So I send one cruiser to go with the and one destroyer to go Palau to escort those carriers. All right. Let's see, I can hit that now. Not really. I'll leave that there. The battleship will be here. The sub is going to go go to Malaya. So it's going to be convoying the British there. Okay. And you got a convoy there. The other battleship's here. This transport is here. Okay, that should be it for that part. That all moved. Nothing's moving here. All right, they're going to stay there. Everybody else is staying here. All right, I'll place my units. All right, I'm going to place 2 transports in Sea of Japan. Okay, with a destroyer. All right. Factory is going to go to Kansu. All right. And two artillery and 1 infantry going to Manchuria. And actually, these 2 guys that were in here, instead they're going to go to Shan. Okay, they're going to go to Shantung. So there'll be 4 there. Okay. Yeah, we'll do that 4. 4, 2, bump. Yes. All right. So that looks like it for this turn. All right. Set up for that. All right, deposition of troops. In Tokyo, I have 3 infantry and 1 artillery and 3 AA. And up at the Coral Islands, I have 2 infantry. In Manchuria, I have 2 artillery, 4 infantry, 1 MAC, 1 AA. In the Sea of Japan, I have 2 transports and a destroyer. In P-22, I have 4 transports. And in Shantung, I have 4 infantry and a strat bomber. In Kansu, I have 3 infantry and artillery. Shiswan, I have 1 infantry. Hopian, I have 2 infantry and artillery. Yunnan, I have 5 infantry and 2 artillery. North Indochina, 1 infantry, 1 artillery. In Fujian, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fighters, 1 strat bomber, and 6 tactical bombers. P-29, I have a carrier, cruiser, 2 destroyers, and 2 battleships with a transport. In P-48, I have a sub that's convoying on you there. Okay. All right. And in P-37, I have a cruiser or a destroyer, 2 aircraft carriers with 2 tacks on them, and a fighter. In P-36, I have a destroyer. So that is it. And when I have the sub, that's up there in P5. All right, that's it for this turn. Let's see what I got. I collect 37. 37. Don't get any money yet because I didn't do anything, basically. And plus 15.
Well, basically almost the same thing I had last time. So I have 37 and 15.
I have 52 next turn. All right, that's it for Japan.